a big, hairy, audacious project. Made me lose most of my hair, but a fun project for sure.
Okay.
VB was an interesting one. It was an old factory site, and I'm a bike commuter, and I used to bike across this bridge called the Chaudière Bridge, and it was just a death trap. It was where all the buses and trucks went because in Ottawa we have these what they call the ceremonial routes where they try and keep the buses and the trucks off, and so they all end up kind of concentrated in other areas. And one of the places they end up concentrated on is this Chaudière Bridge, which was kind of narrow and went from 2 lanes down to 1 lane and no bike lanes at all, and only a narrow sidewalk even on one side. And so I would bike there all the time, and that site was an old factory, boarded up, barbed wire, but was 800 meters upriver from Parliament Hill. Had these stunning, crazy views looking right at Parliament, right on the wall. And so biking by there one day, I was like, somebody's got to do something about this. And the feds have been working on it, and different people had mentioned things over the years about something should be done there. But I biked back and I started the conversation with my business partners to say, you know what, that site could be amazing, and it's derelict and it's contaminated and it's boarded up. Let's make a run at it. And people who've lived in Ottawa forever, I think it's been a factory site, but they kind of lose sight of it. Those kinds of things. It's just a blight that people forget about. And so they said, yeah, sure. Thinking it would never turn into anything. But I started phoning Domtar. They owned it. They were a big pulp and paper company based in Montreal. It took a while to find the right guy, but ultimately we ended up finding the right person to talk to. Ultimately, we ended up doing a deal there. And we acquired the site, we rezoned it, we created a master plan, and that master plan for that site, we won basically every award there is to win for that thing. We won awards for public consultation. We won Best Master Plan in Ontario, Best Master Plan in Canada, Best Master Plan in North America. The International Society of City and Regional Planners awarded it Best Master Plan in the globe the year we submitted that thing. So it's still something I'm very proud of. We ended up partnering with Dream. They were really good partners, the publicly traded real estate company based out of Toronto. We ended up building a 200,000 square foot federal office building, apartments, condos. We built some really beautiful plazas, urban plazas, some park space. And one of the things we built there that's really unusual, you don't see this very often, but we built a zero carbon district energy system. So all of those buildings connect to the energy system. We've since sold our development rights in the project to Dream. We continue to own a portion of the district energy system and run that thing. But that was a great project. A big, hairy, audacious project. Made me lose most of my hair.
Oh, damn.
But a fun project for sure.